I'd like to introduce you to Dr. Eric Sarfati, who is based mostly in Toulon and Marseille. As you can see, Dr. Sarfati has a wealth of different specialities, ophthalmology, oncology, and of course, we're going to deal tonight with some dermatological applications. So without any more ado, I'd like to ask Dr. Sarfati to take to the podium. Dr. Sarfati, please.
Hello everybody. I'm Frederick Samson and I'm the Lutronic distributor in France. I'm going to assist Mr. Dr. Sarfati with his English and on the presentation of this N-curve. Thank you.
Good morning. My English is not very well, and Alors, body contouring by radiofrequency. What is N-curve? Easy and comfortable way to reduce adiposity through apoptosis inducing radiofrequency. The specialized frequency to 27.12 MHz selectivity target and hit adipocyte to the optimal temperature for apoptosis. Indication for reduction in the circumference of abdomen and action of the release of the skin. Two applicators, EB applicator for the abdomen and multi-applicator. Feature and benefits, personalized treatment, personalized impedance synchronization application, minimized energy loss, and achieve a better clinic outcome. Enhance usability, easy operation and easy installation, adaptive to a variety of body contour and clinic setting. Arm and applicator adjustable without the use of locking nuts. Enhance efficiency, practitioner, no manual operation, no disposable, patient, treatment abdomen and flank simultaneously. Parameter, abdomen, 300 watts, 55 minutes for the treatment, 6 treatment, 1 week interval, either by EB applicator or multi-applicator for the abdomen, and arms and sinks, 200 watts, only by multi-applicator. Treatment easily accessible to patient and physician who are new the body contouring treatment. Treatment without disposable, without manual operation, white, no pain. Mechanism. Deep hits selectively targeting adipocyte and action of the release of the skin. What 27.12 MHz is a magic number. Is an industrial, scientific, and medical radio band. Adipocyte responsive to this frequency selectively focus the energy onto adipocyte by choosing this frequency, which is specially tuned to the impedance of adipocyte compared to other tissues. No. This frequency hit adipocyte out to 55 degrees Celsius. 55 degrees Celsius is required to induce apoptosis of adipocyte. Frictional energy weighting adipocyte. When adipocyte absorb this frequency, the adipocyte vibrate, oscillate, and frictional energy is generated intracellularly by the adipocyte himself. Suicidal cells dead caused by biochemical process. Apoptosis process terminate via clear by macrophage. Mean of 2 to 3 weeks to initiate the process. Personalized impedance synchronization application. Each patient impedance is individually monitored on real-time basis. Maximization of energy radiation based on real-time impedance of each individual. Minimization of the energy loss. Overcoming shortcoming of traditional radiofrequency device. And curve synchronized the treatment energy with a change in the patient impedance. Impedance slightly but continuously change while a patient gets the treatment. Over there, when abdominal respiration occurs when a patient moves his or her body slightly, impedance change dramatically. Applicator is placed over the treatment area. Applicator doesn't not touch the skin, through the treatment, then press start. Stay with the patient during the first 5 minutes to ensure everything is okay. Visit the room every 5 minutes. The arm and applicator are easily adjusted with screwless place and stay inks. Switchable for various clinic environments. Adaptable to the various positions of the hospital beds. Independent of the height of hospital beds. Adjustable to fully cover the abdomen and flank. Enhanced efficient for both. Protection, economical, no disposable, minimized time investment for the patient. Abdomen covering applicator, treat abdomen and flank simultaneously, no downtime, no time on the daily life. The treatment has no downtime and has no impact of activity of the daily life. No invasive, no touch treatment, no discomfort, no anesthesia, no pain. Efficient resource management, no disposable, spent no energy on manual operation, spent less time for installation, stay less time in the operation room, need less time for training on the device. Applicator. EB applicator for the abdomen. Multi-applicator can be used in training small size abdomen, arms, and things. Treatment position, back and bra line, arms, things. Preclinical study. Histology. After 2 treatments, we can see macrophage infiltration identified responsive for the apoptosis. Histologic, with the oil red, we can see apoptosis and fibrosis with a 300 watt stronger damage. Ultrasound, after 4 treatments, we can see 23% reduction fat layer, more with 300 watt. Thermal camera, stable, reflective, power level in the key to maximize warmth sensation in this treatment area. The temperature of the fat at abdomen reach 45 degrees Celsius at around 20 minutes. The temperature is stable. The N curve is not competing with the Cry-Liposis, but complementary. The good treatment with the Cry-Lipolysis, Cry-Liposin in and N curve in abdomen. Now, result of Saint-Lazare, Victoire, Toulon, France. 84 patients were treatment, no complication, except erythema and pressure pain. The pressure pain was alone naturally disappeared after several days. The mean circumference loss was 3.0, more and less 2 cm. Degree of satisfaction 80%. No loss, no weight loss. The best results are obtained in young people for the restoration of the tension of the skin. Now some results. A woman after C treatment, reduction in abdomen 3.4 and restoration of the tension. A woman after C treatment, reduction 2.6, but the restoration of the tension is good. After C treatment, reduction 3.2 and restoration of the skin. The good result, reduction abdomen 4.6, 3.8. The good result 4.8. Thank you for the attention.
Okay, thank you very much. If you have any question, please feel free. We could explain a bit more the technology. I will do the translation. So please, if you have any question.
If you'd like to raise your hand, I shall bring the microphone to you.
Bonjour docteur. Qu'est-ce que vous pensez en somme que l'impédance, quand tu utilises l'applicateur en somme, qu'il change beaucoup? What do you think for the impedance? Why it's changed a lot by some patients, and by some patients you can have like no heating?
Okay, why is the impedance change from one patient to another patient?
No, in the same patient.
On the same patient?
Yeah. Okay. For example, when you treat the patient 2 times for 20 minutes on 300 watt.
And you say the impedance will change from one session to another session on the same patient.
And also difference in the eating.
Donc, pour avoir donc testé l'appareil, quand on est sous la coupole et quand la coupole est positionnée correctement, on sent une sensation de chaleur, mais pas une brûlure. À partir du moment où vous avez une douleur, à partir du moment où vous avez une sensation de brûlure, c'est que l'appareil, à mon avis, est positionné trop près des flancs, trop près de l'abdomen.
Oui, mais comment tu expliques, par exemple, si tu laisses ton patient dans la même position et tu appuies une deuxième fois?
On n'a pas les mêmes paramètres au niveau de l'impédance. C'est-à-dire que l'appareil se cale sur l'impédance. L'impédance du patient, c'est-à-dire la résistance, comme c'est de la radiofréquence, l'appareil se cale sur la résistance des tissus. On n'a pas du tout les mêmes, je veux dire, en fonction de la respiration que l'on a, en fonction de la position que l'on a, en fonction du degré d'hydratation que l'on a des tissus, la résistance ne sera pas la même.
I'm going to translate. So, depending on the position of the patient, depending on the hydration of the patient, the impedance will change from one patient to the other, or you can change from on the same patient. It can change as well, depending on the position.
The same day, the same treatment.
Yes, depending on the position, for example. So that's why the N-curve is a very futuring and a very new and future device. Is going to set up the impedance during the treatment. For the same patient and for all the patient is going to adapt the parameter depending on the position on the patient, on the hydration of the patient. That's why.
When you do your first 20 minutes, you have a slight heating, and in the second 20 minutes, you feel nothing. What do you suggest then?
It's maybe like in the cryolipolysis, you can feel for the first 5 minutes a lot of stretching, a lot of cold, and after the patient will get an habit and you don't feel anything. You don't think so? Have you?
But not your 45 degrees. When you're 45
But the 45 degrees is deep in the adipocytes. The skin temperature never goes above 42 to 40, well, never goes above 42.
you will feel that.
Well, 42 you don't feel so much. 45 you shouldn't be feeling 45 in the skin. Remember where the pain receptors are. They are at the dermoepidermal junction, particularly the thermal receptors. And to answer your question about the impedance, what makes NCurve different, as Dr. Sarfati explained, is our PISA, the personalized impedance sensing device. When you turn the system on, there are two little dials. The one on the right shows the power that you've set. The one on the left you will see constantly oscillating. At first, it oscillates pretty violently, and then you have to tell the patient to breathe gently, to settle down, and the impedance gradually settles down. So it does change constantly. And I think that was a very good response regarding why you don't feel so much heat during the second 20 minutes, because possibly it's self-desensitization.
Thank you very much. Do you have any more question on this NCurve technology?
Can take one more
very
question.
New technology.
I don't
Hello.
understand why the system would be better than the other ones, the
Okay.
ones that touch the skin.
Alors, pourquoi c'est un meilleur système que les autres? Why is better system? Pourquoi c'est un meilleur
Alors déjà,
système que
c'est
les
une
autres?
radiofréquence qui n'est pas de contact et on va traiter une structure déjà, je veux dire, relativement large. On va traiter un ensemble.
So first, you don't have any contact with the skin. So this is very new, and you are going to treat in the same treatment a large area.
Et il n'y a pas
which
de
is
risque
very
de
new.
brûlure. Il n'y a pas de risque de brûlure.
There is no risk
But
of
why-
burn. There
why-
is no risk of burn. This is something you have some. You don't have any risk or very few risk. If you compare to all the other technology, this is something very nice. You don't touch the skin and you don't have any risk.
But why the temperature on there would be higher than with the other system?
Parce qu'il y a plus de puissance. Pourquoi la température? Okay, so because the power of this device is 300 watts, which is a lot of power. So the power of the NCurve is the biggest, on the market. There is no device as powerful as the NCurve. So I would say, yeah, that's why.
And the other reason is that this works in a completely different way from contact radiofrequency. At this frequency, 27.12, the only target is the adipocytes. It doesn't target the skin. We don't want it to target the skin. And that's why the skin temperature remains below the apoptosis threshold, whereas the temperature of the adipocytes is raised to above the apoptosis threshold. And therefore, what we're looking at here is not resistivity, which is what we look for with conventional radiofrequency. We're looking for the opposite. We're looking for low permittivity. And adipocytes are insulators. They are dielectric. They're a dielectric. And at this frequency, the dipoles in the dielectric are targeted. They whop about like nobody's business, and that's where the heat comes from. That's why the heat is highest in the adipocyte layer and not in the skin layer. And that's what makes this system and this kind of system, because this is field radiofrequency, not contact radiofrequency. Contact radiofrequency is from 1 to 5 megahertz, depending on the system. This is 27.12 megahertz.